Hello, everyone. Nature is calm until it isn't. When instincts take over, the wild reminds us just how small we really are. In those unpredictable moments, strength, fear, and chaos collide, revealing the true power of the animal kingdom. These are the raw, untamed flashes of nature's fury. An angry ram takes on a 6-ton digger, the showdown nobody asked for. This fearless fluffball decided that heavy machinery was a personal enemy and charged in like it owned the construction site.
If he's somewhere with an acorn, ow! Heck me, you little bastard!
A little squirrel with massive attitude.
He's attacking me. I'm gonna kill him right now. He just freaking attacked me. I'm killing him. Let's get here. Shoot the daggum thing! No, stay!
Never ever disturb a calm elephant in the wild. It's not just a bad idea, it's a life-threatening one. When that gentle giant loses its patience, there's no stopping the storm that follows.
Close your eyes for the next good 30 seconds. Holy shit! Oh my god!
সস্তা নাকি এত করছি ভিডিও করছি
A tiger at Alipore Zoo, Kolkata saw a man and thought, lunch is served. It leapt straight at him, only to get bonked by its own reflection.
শালা ওর কাছেও কতটুকু লাগছে রে
The cowboy's bravery disappeared the very instant the rodeo bulls broke free and charged into chaos.
Scares you every time. Okay, I won't go that way. I'll go this way.
On safari, you can't afford to relax even during lunch. The calmest looking creature might turn the whole scene upside down in a second.
Unhappy elephant.
Getting closer?
No, he's not, I don't think. He's giving up.
dude was not happy.
Courtesy clearly wasn't his strongest trait. After a few subtle warnings, the rhino figured that if he was going to chase people away, he might as well do it with a touch of flair.
Dat die kinders net stil bly. Kiefst.
Yes, daar het hy sy agterste vlok en wiper af.
Nee, sê.
Stein, sort jou kar?
For the lions, it was nothing more than a playful chase. But for the humans, it felt like a brutal assault by wild beasts.
No, we're no good. No good.
Pausing workout.
No way, man. We're not good. We can't do this.
If a bear wants to terrify someone, all it has to do is follow them for a few minutes. That's more than enough to send chills down anyone's spine.
Good boy. Atta boy. Sakes, that's cool, buddy boy. You just keep doing that.
You're the man.
That's it, boy. Stay away from me, though.
You're the
Stay
man.
away. Atta boy. Atta boy.
Resuming workout.
Hey. Hey, nope, stay over there. Stay over there.
You'll never guess who he was desperately running from that day.
Oh! Oh!
You hear him? What he say?
He down there. He said, bah.
Donovan. Got chased by a darn goat. We have to run it back on the cameras. Can you imagine Don trying to put the code in?
Oh!
I saw him close the door. Oh!
Jetzt rüsselt er erstmal darin. Ach du Scheiße. Guck mal, sie steigt aus.
Wieso?
Oh mein Gott. Mal aussteigen tue ich auch nicht. Kannst du mal glauben.
Er steigt vorne rein.
Ach du Scheiße. Alter, wie sind die denn drauf?
Wenn der jetzt immer hoch klickt, der Jeep um, ne?
Ich hoffe, du filmst das, Dana.
Ja, ich filme. Diesmal filme ich.
Esse cá! Esse cá! Esse cá! Esse cá! Esse cá! Ei! Ei! Esse cá! Esse cá! Esse cá! Esse cá! Ei! 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 Esse cá! Ei! Ei! Esse cá! Esse cá! Esse cá!
gidiyorsun? Easy.
Whoever convinced him that teasing a bear was a bright idea clearly wasn't much of a friend. When the opponent happens to be shorter, the giraffe's long neck becomes useless. So the only sensible move left is to run for it.
Oh my God, il y a pas quelqu'un!
Ok, mais la personne qui va les dire d'arrêter.
Pero mira, me va a apoyar. Calmao. Bueno, calmao el cangrejo. Dime. Oh, pero mira, me va a apoyar.
That day, stewed crab wasn't exactly on the menu.
Bueno, calmao.
You ain't got nothing else to do.
Sometimes rhinos wander out of Nepal's national park and amble peacefully through local streets. But make no mistake, they're not there to make new friends.
Ê, thầy bắn nè. Ô, thầy.
The safari in Botswana was going perfectly fine until one elephant decided it was his personal duty to escort the guests out of his territory. Luckily, those cyclists only got a good scare and managed to escape without a scratch.
vem. Ai, meu pai do céu. Ai, Jesus.
Wildlife photographers don't just capture breathtaking images, they constantly flirt with danger, risking their lives for that one perfect shot.
I missed it. Oh, Snapchat.
Oh my.
Bull guys. Oh, what the? I got that. Oh, God. Watch out.
Nossa senhora.
Tá bom.
Filmou?
Yeah, hostile champ.
The deer wasn't about to wait for opening hours. It smashed straight through the window and landed right inside the shop.
Here in the dining room. Hi, little fella. Hi. Oh my God! Stop.
The elephant wasted no time showing everyone exactly what would happen if anyone dared to cross his line.
They're attacking everyone. The cameraman should thank his lucky stars that such a flimsy fence was enough to keep the bull from turning him into a headline. ये बेटे तेरे केले का चरखा देखा है ये केला काट के ले लो फटाफट केले का चरखा देखा है अबे तेरी ये तो यही पा रहा है। अरे इधर ही है, इधर ही है। तो कुछ नहीं कहेगा यार।
Right now, you can save £50 per person. We've got millions of free child place holidays. Right now, Jibbo's available. 22 programs of rampage included.
They caught the raccoon and hurried it into the woods for release. But that first taste of freedom didn't bring gratitude. It unleashed pure mischief instead.
Come on. Come on. Chase him out.
The pit bull's owners believed a 3-meter gate would keep him contained. Turns out their dog's part athlete, part escape artist. Around here, the monkeys run things like a street gang, terrorizing tourists and stealing whatever catches their eye without a trace of guilt.
It's on video. Here's Steve. He's gonna go get the mountain lion. See if the mountain lion runs away. If he runs this way, I just hope I'm faster than Steve. See him? Yeah. Oh, wow. Check that out. There it goes. There it goes. Oh, that thing was huge.
Wow.
Wow.
Camels, on the other hand, are notoriously moody and short-tempered. Get too close, and if you manage to annoy one, don't wait around. Just run.
Come closer, yeah, man. Just a little. Yeah, you go.
You see that stick from the right time?
Hey!
And I just said it! I just said it! I just said, did you see the TikTok of the guy?
You'd never guess it from their eerie looks, but shoebills are actually calm, quiet, and surprisingly gentle birds.
Oh my god, I got it all on video. Idiots.
Hippos have jaws strong enough to crush almost anything, so it's no surprise this guy was terrified for his backside.
Run, 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 run.
Ziggy gang. No! No!
He wasn't being rude, he just didn't want anyone ruining his perfect shot. Bikers may look fearless, but even they can go weak in the knees when a furious bison decides to make an appearance.
Bro, you gotta go. You gotta go. No. You gotta go.
A rare sight indeed, the one time in history when a zebra actually managed to frighten off its predator.
No!
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 Yeah, nice day. That's a weird log.